Good morning, students. I myself, Divakar Pandey from KUNTI NAGAR Modern English School, NAWADA, and welcome to you in your e-learning class. Today, I am going to provide you my first video lecture of lesson 16 in SST, and this video has been taken from class 3. It means it is the video for all the students of class 3. So now we come to the topic. Topic is work and living. Yes, it means in this chapter we have to study about occupation, about farming, etc. So now come to the chapter. In this chapter, we have to study about 3 types of occupation: occupation in village, occupation in coastal areas, and occupation in cities. Now come to the first point. First of all, in our life, food, clothes, and houses are very essential that play a pivotal role in our life. Food to eat, clothes to wear, and house to live in, these are our basic needs. And to fulfill these basic needs, we need money to buy all these things. So people work to earn money. They work to earn their livelihood, and the work done to earn money is called an occupation. So what is an occupation? Occupation is a work that is done to earn money. Now we come to know first of all occupation in village. Yes, many people live in village, and what is the important occupation of these people who live in village? A large number of people of our country live in village, and farming is the main occupation of the people who live in village. Now we come to know about agriculture. What is agriculture? Yes, most people who live in village, they cultivate the land to grow different kinds of crops, and these different kinds of crops are wheat, rice, sugarcane, etc. It means we can say farming is the main occupation of villagers who live in village. After knowing it, we come to know about agriculture. What is agriculture? Most people living in the rural areas or village cultivate their land. They grow different types of crops, and they use bullocks to plow the land. Like this type of activity to grow crops by bullocks or tractors is known as agriculture. Some farmers also use tractors in village also. Now we come to know animal rearing. People who live in village keep different kinds of cattle or animals. They domesticate them to fulfill their necessities. Like this type of activity to keep animals and rear is called animal rearing. Now when we study about farming, we find there are 2 types of farming in village area. First, dairy farming, and second, poultry farming. Dairy farming is that type of farming in which people rear animals, cattle. They find eggs, they find milk, and different kinds of things. Cows and buffaloes are mainly kept for milk, and a farmer sells milk who is called dairy farmers. It means milkmen are known as dairy farmers. Like this, when we study about poultry farming, yes, poultry farming is that farming in which hens and ducks, it means cocks and chickens, ducks are reared or domesticated to find eggs and meat. This type of farming are called dairy farming. Now, after knowing about dairy farming and poultry farming, in next video I will discuss about agriculture waste industries. Thank you. Have a nice day.